This is a parallel linkage coupling. It's a relatively simple device that allows transmission of rotational energy across multiple shafts from a single input source. The major downside to this coupling is its imbalance that is inherent to its design. At low RPMs it will function well, but higher speeds can cause catastrophic failures. Here is the final design. Everything here is 3D printed with the exception of the hot glue used to hold the shafts in place. You can see things spin very smoothly when I rotate it by hand. There's one input shaft and 5 output shafts. And you can even rotate the linkage itself, and you can see everything is synchronized and spins well. The system is so imbalanced, however, that it's very difficult to get it to freewheel or to continue to spin after applying the force. So here's a drill, and it rotates so quickly it's hard to see in this video, but even at full speed, which is 800 RPM on this particular drill, things still operate okay in terms of friction, but the vibration is very intense. So in the slow motion footage we're going to see at low RPMs it's pretty smooth. And here's an example where I'm not holding the bass with my hand and it's jumping all over. And that's what this is. But at speed, this is again 800 RPM, you can see the frame and everything just absolutely moving around like crazy. A lot of vibration and a lot of imbalance here. And then here's a view from the front, and you can see everything is just shaking and shaking. If you made a very light linkage, this may limit the amount of vibration, or maybe somehow you can counterbalance it. But the question here is this something that is 3D printable or not? And I think the answer is clear. This works well, and yes, it's practical. Just consider what you're using it for, and it should be just fine. I've been inspired to learn more about mechanical design by retired mechanical engineer and YouTuber Thang010146. His YouTube channel has over 3,000 mechanical animations that he created himself, and he's constantly creating new ones almost daily. I've been a fan for a while now, and I would like to challenge myself to recreate some of his designs and 3D print them to see how well they function out of a printer. He's a genius. You gotta check him out if you're interested.